Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I have a haul for you today. So I picked up the newest 12 release for the Distress Oxide inks. Absolutely loving these colors. So excited that they have the tumbled glass and the spun sugar. The Dusty Concord is awesome for night skies for Halloween, and the Ripe Persimmon is great for fall cards. And then I feel like they were getting ready for Christmas as well with the mowed lawn and the barn door. So excited to have these in my collection. I did pick these up at my local scrapbook store, and it is called Maple Syrup Designs. I'll link the links below to the stores and the products for this haul. So for those of you who are in Canada, they have great shipping locally. And I'll be sure to link that below, like I said. So I picked that up, and then they had some stamps on clearance. So I picked up 3. I was starting to think of Christmas already, which makes me want to shudder because I am trying to enjoy every minute of summer while it's here. But this stamp set, the Holiday Sweaters by Craft and Desert Divas, I wanted last year and just never got it. I absolutely adore these little critters in their Christmas sweaters. You could say ugly Christmas sweaters, but they're so darn cute on these little critters. It's hard to think of them even being ugly. I also picked up the Yeti Fun. This is a great one for winter. It has really cute sentiments. The Yeti for coffee, and this little guy holding a coffee, or you could make it hot cocoa. The best is Yeti to come. Love the little penguin friends, and then the adorable little snowman with this Yeti. This is another oldie but goodie that I've been wanting for a long time, and with it being on clearance, I decided to pick it up. This is Tailored Expressions, the Valentine Grumplings, so I'll put that away for Valentine's Day. But I love these little characters, and these sentiments are absolutely adorable as well. These are red rubber stamps, and they're already mounted, so they're ready to go. The images are a good size, so they'll make really adorable cards. I also grabbed the Make Wave stencil by MFT. Loving my MFT stencils to make backgrounds. So I have the mini clouds, and I also have the landscape one that they just recently came out with as well. And then I picked up the Nuvo Crystal Drops. These ones are called Ebony Black, and this is a gloss. And with Halloween up and coming, I thought it would be great to add the black one to my stash. So Jamie had all of the new So Much Pun collection from Doodlebug in her shop. And so I jumped on that the day it was released. I picked up the 6x6 paper pad. It's absolutely adorable. I love how it crosses over so many different kind of genres or elements. So you have like dinosaurs, you have out of this world, and then you have baking, but you also have fast food, and then the get well with the little pills. I'm sure most of you have seen this. This is adorable with the little cut aparts. I think you're super. I love this one on the back. I sat here and read a lot of these. So these are different puns that you can use, and I love the one for the taco. It says, talk about amazing, you're supreme, mexcellent, taco chance on me, and fantas taco. So stinking cute. The soup one is funny too. You're super. Have a super day. You can do it, like a can of soup. I hope your birthday is fantastic. So this is absolutely adorable. I'm going to be keeping this piece of paper so that I have ideas for sentiments on punny cards. Love the little candy one. The band-aids are absolutely adorable. The little pills. The fast food with the hot dog and the hamburger and the fries and the pogo, and then the dill pickle with the little dill slices. Oh my goodness, so cute. Some more cut aparts and this kind of out of this world paper. Some nice paper to just kind of use on an everyday kind of card. These cute little dinosaurs, the palm trees, which is the same palm trees in the Sweet Summer collection, this rainbow pattern, the candles, and then the tacos with the burritos and the nacho chips. So stinking cute, love it. I also picked up the dot stripe rainbow petite prints. This has 24 double-sided cardstock, and this was in the new release as well. So it's just tiny polka dotted paper, and on the back it is the striped, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors of the rainbow. So I thought that would be good just to have as an accent paper. I grabbed the odds and ends. This comes with 113 pieces. I'm sure you've all seen this. Such cuteness in this little bag. I cannot wait to open this up and start getting organized for a 10 card video. I did pick up the Chit Chat for this collection as well, which has 94 pieces. Absolutely love this. This right here would make probably, I bet you could do 50 cards with the 2 paper pads and the Chit Chats and the odds and ends. So I'm so excited to get started. I also picked up a couple of the Doodle Pops. Jamie was doing this as a free with $20 or $25 purchase. Super, super cute with the Doodlebug collection. This one is so hoppy. I thought that would make a really good masculine card. And then the baking news, little bun in the oven. I have a card in mind for that one. And I couldn't resist, you guys. I had to get the bandage washi. I thought this was great to have in your stash for get well cards. Look at how stinking cute those band-aids are. Oh my goodness. Absolutely in love with those cute little band-aids. And last but not least, I just picked up these containers from my local dollar store. These are snack storage containers. They were $2 for 3, and they lock in place. And I'm going to move my, I'm going to move my embossing powders, the 3 that I use the most. So the white, clear, and probably gold or silver. I want to see if I like these, and then I may pick up some more as well. So that's just at my local Dollarama store. So that's my haul for today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.